My name is Jessica Martin, and today I'm going to be going over my cow eye dissection. Here is the list of terms of things that I need to go over. So I will have that off to the side, but I'm going to go ahead and start by putting on some gloves to go ahead and handle my eye. So we'll go ahead. I have two halves of my eye, an anterior side and a posterior side, so we'll start by taking a look at the anterior side. Here we'll take a look at the front. So this bluish portion here in the middle that you can kind of see through, that is called the cornea. So the cornea is usually clear, but right now it looks blue because of the preservatives. Then when we take a look inside the eye, we can see this orb-like structure, which is the lens. I'm actually going to pop the lens out real quick. So this is the lens. And then taking a deeper look in here, we can see the iris. I'm going to go ahead and pop the iris out. So the iris is the ring that gives the eye color typically. So here's the iris. It sits right here. And so typically you see there's this hole here where, so the iris is around it, and this hole here is the pupil. So we have the pupil, the iris, and then the front part is the cornea. Usually, like I said, the lens will kind of sit, let me position it, sorry. It's very slippery. In the front portion here, and it's kind of hard to visualize because of the way that it's cut, but usually between the lens and the cornea, that's what we call the anterior cavity, and the anterior cavity is filled with aqueous humor. From the back of the lens through the posterior side of the eye, that is called the posterior cavity, and that is filled with vitreous humor, which is a jelly-like substance. There is some of it on the edge of the lens here. It's just really thick and jelly-like. We'll go ahead and move on to the posterior portion of the eye here. So we'll take a quick look. This white rim around the eye is called the sclera, so it's just a tough portion that cases the eye. The reflective surface we see on the back here is called the choroid. And then this part here is the retina. It's normally a thin layer that covers the choroid in the back of the eye, but I did take it out for the purpose of the dissection, so it's not intact right now. And then the last thing I believe is the optic nerve. So my eye came to me really cut down. So it looked like this when it came to me. Pretty much I didn't take that much tissue off the back, but I do believe that the optic nerve is right there, the root of it at least, to take the information from the eyes to the brain. I'm going to take a quick read through my list over here just to make sure I got everything. I think I did, so I will go ahead and sign off. Thank you.